Now, here is a problem on ratio and proportion. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4 to 7 to 8, and its perimeter is 38 centimeters. Find the sides. Okay, let's just say, let's sketch a triangle. Could have a triangle that looks like this. Okay, and the three sides, let's say this side is side X, side is side Y, and this is side Z. Okay, now we are given the ratio of the sides. The ratio of the sides is 4 to 7 to 8. First is to find the total ratio. The total ratio is 4 plus 7 plus 8, which will give 19. Okay, so each of these sides takes a portion out of this 19. Okay, so from here, it means, and the total and the perimeter is given to be 38. So it implies that X is going to be what? It's going to take 4 out of 19 of 38, while Y is 7 out of 19 of the entire 38 centimeters, while the last side Z is going to be 8 out of 19 of 38. Okay, if you look closely, see that we have 38 by 19 in all through. So meaning, what's 38 by 19? 38 by 19 is 2. So meaning this will be 4 by 2. This is 7 by 2. And this is 8 by 2. And with this, so this is going to give us 8 centimeters. This is 14 centimeters. And this is 16 centimeters. And if you try to add up this, you should definitely get 38 centimeters. So we have the three sides as 8, 14, and 16 centimeters respectively. So that is the solution to the question.